Alright, there you go. Sorry, my printer's not printing this. Find the value of negative 3 as a decimal approximation will indicate that it's not defined. A few ways you can do it. You can take that negative 3 and plug it in here, plug it in here, plug it in to find it out, or you can plug it in your calculator. Just quickly do it. There you go, my good old calculator. Excuse me. So negative x to the 4th power minus 4x cubed minus 1.2x plus 4. Where am I? Here's the standard. Obviously not the whole thing's coming in. That's okay. I'm going to do second calc. Oops, second calc. Value and negative 3. Hit enter. So y value is 34.6. You don't have to show your work, especially if you're using your calculator, same on AP Precalc exam. Number 2, letter B. Without doing any calculation, we did the same thing in the bell work. What happened between 0 and 1? So I'm looking at right here. Tell me about the rate of change, whether it's positive or negative. Folks, is it going up or down? Going down. So I'm going to say the rate of change is negative because the graph has negative slope, or graph is going down, or graph is decreasing. All of those are possible on 0 to 1. What about next? Now it's asking about rate of change increasing or decreasing. That looks like a part of the sad face. This is concave down, so I'll say the rate of change is, sorry, I don't want to write down. Rate of change is decreasing because the graph is concave down between 0 and 1. Next, let's find the actual rate of change between 0 and 1. That's your A, that's your B, so I'm looking at, oops, f of B minus f of A, oops, 1 minus 0, 1. My numerator, f of 1, I'm going to do the same thing, go to second calc, value, hit 1 there. Y value is negative 2. Did I type this right? I did. Alright, sorry. So x equal 1, y value is negative 2.2 minus what about 0, 4. Okay? Then I got negative 6.2 as the average rate of change. That's your work. Number 2, between negative 1 and 1, folks, negative 1 and 1, I think it's, I can't really see it, so I think it's here somewhere, okay? What is happening? Is the function positive or function negative? The function is above the x-axis, so it is positive, and it's going down, so the function is decreasing. It has nothing to do with the concavity, so do not get confused. There's no word saying decreasing rate. There's no word saying rate of change is increasing, decreasing, so do not mix it up. So letter B. Number 3, what about the rate of change? It is concave up. So I'm going to say that the rate of change is increasing between negative 1 and 0 because the graph is concave up. I didn't say, I didn't write it, but you can look at the key